Guys, who's excited for Japan? Woo! I'm so excited.
Why are you so excited, Papa?
Because I don't have to cook. And people cook for me.
I'm hungry. Can we get a snack? Ew, candy!
What are you guys doing?
We're
Put
grabbing
it back. No. Mama, $4.89 for no. Put it back.
Gosh, I want these chips.
$4.19 for a bag of chips? No.
No fun, Papa.
You guys, we're gonna go to the airplane and there's gonna be a lot of great food and snacks.
Is it free?
It's free, okay?
No, it isn't. You're
Free
joking.
99. Thank you. Yes, that would be great.
Oh, that's so cute.
I think it's good.
Thank you. I want to open it.
So cool. Nothing can stop us now.
Oh my god. That's on the plane.
Hot, okay? Right.
Okay, that's it.
What do you say? I wish you guys liked the veggies because the veggies are good. Was it good, that lemon dessert? Dude, what happened to you?